Good morning, children. This is ninth standard maths. Chapter name is Number Systems. Today, let us study a new topic in number systems, that is locating irrational numbers on the number line. So, the first question is locate root 2 on the number line. We know that irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, and root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, these are the some of the examples for irrational numbers. Now in today's video, let us study how to locate such irrational numbers on the number line. So let us study how to locate root 2 on the number line. In your previous classes, you have studied how to draw a number line. So use your scale and pencil and first draw a straight line. Now, to this straight line, mark the center point as 0. Then use the scale. Then from 0 with the 2 centimeter difference, mark the points, children. I have taken 2 centimeter difference, again 2 centimeter difference and 2 centimeter difference. In the same way, to the left side also take 2 centimeter difference. Then to the left of 0 also take 2 centimeter difference and mark the point like this. We know that to the right of 0 in the number line there are positive values, and to the left of 0 there are negative values. So right side it is positive, left side it is negative. Therefore mark the positive values on the right side and the negative values on the left side of the 0. So it will be +1, +2, +3, and here left side it is -1, -2 and -3. This is the number line. So this is the first step. Now we have taken each with a difference of 2 centimeter, but from 0 to +1 we should consider it as 1 unit. So from 0 to +1 it will be 1 unit, but the measurement is 2 centimeter, but we are considering for our calculation that is 0 to +1 as 1 unit. So this is the first step. We have to draw a number line. Now next step is take your protractor, keep your protractor at +1. Keep your protractor at +1 and mark 90 degree. Keep the protractor at +1 and mark 90 degree. Then use your scale. Draw a straight line from +1 like this. Draw a straight line. Here it is 90 degree, but extend this line. Therefore this is 90 degree. So from +1 we are drawing 90 degree and mark here 90 degree, and this point name it as A. Next step is, one more point we have to remember is that on the number line we have to make sure that the vertex O will coincide with 0. Therefore when it coincides with the 0, this can be taken as vertex O. Therefore in the next step, take the measurement from 0 to A. That is, I told that vertex O coincides with 0, therefore it can be considered as O. Now in the next step, use your compass, take measurement from O to A like this. From O to A, take the measurement using your compass from O to A. After taking the measurement from O to A using the compass, then don't disturb. Then same measurement, keep your compass at A, draw one arc which cuts the 90-degree line. So take the measurement from O to A in this way. In the next step, keep your compass at A, cut the 90-degree straight line, and where you have cut the 90-degree straight line, mark that point as B. Then use your scale, draw from O to B a straight line. So here it is B, here it is O. So draw a straight line. Okay, so a right angle triangle is formed. Therefore, from O to A we have considered it as 1 unit. Again, in the same way, from B to A it should be considered as 1 unit. So a right angle triangle is formed, that is OAB. A right angle triangle is formed. Now we have to locate root 2, so that on the number line a right angle triangle is formed. So to locate root 2 on the number line, we have got a right angle triangle, that is OAB. So we know that OA, it is 1 unit. So this is the base. Okay, then BA, at A 90 degrees formed, which is the perpendicular. So from BA it is 1 unit. Now we have to calculate what is OB. That is, we have to calculate the hypotenuse value. We know that BA, it is perpendicular. So perpendicular, we know that it is represented in this form. Now when a right angle triangle is there and we have to find out the value of the hypotenuse, then we should apply the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, to find out what is the value of this hypotenuse on the number line, we shall calculate the value using Pythagoras theorem. So in Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Therefore, the other two sides are, this will be the base, and this way 90 degrees formed, it is a perpendicular. So to represent perpendicular, we represent in this way, this is perpendicular. Therefore, hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus perpendicular whole square. Therefore, base is 1 unit, therefore 1 square plus perpendicular, it is 1 square. So 1 square plus 1 square, we know that 2. So this is hypotenuse whole square is 2. Now we want just the value of hypotenuse. Therefore, hypotenuse will be equal to root 2. Hypotenuse whole square is 2, whereas just the value of hypotenuse will be equal to root 2. Therefore, the value of hypotenuse is root 2. So we got on the number line the root 2 value is OB. Now we got root 2. Now we have to locate that root 2 on the number line. So by the theoretical calculation, that is from the Pythagoras theorem, we got to know that OB value is equal to root 2. Now on the number line, we have to plot root 2. That is, in the next step, use your compass. From O to B, take the measurement like this. From O till B, where the 90 degree arc is formed, I have taken it, the measurement. Okay. Then from O, draw an arc. Take the measurement from O to B using your compass. Then draw an arc. So you have to draw an arc in this way, such that it should intersect the straight line like this. Okay, and where the arc will intersect this straight line, here mark the point P, and this arc will be your root 2 on the number line. That is, from O to B, take the measurement using the compass. Then from the point O, draw one arc such that it should intersect this straight line. So where it has been intersected, mark that point as P, and this will be the root 2 on the number line. This is the method, children, how to draw root 2 on the number line.